Install sliding doors at the entrance of a room. Sliding doors are one of the most common door types in Japan. Though recently they are becoming less common. Cut the rail using a jig made by myself. The wheels of the sliding door move on this rail. There is a video showing the various types of sliding doors, so please enjoy watching it. Embed the wheels under the door. The hole was dug when the door was made. Once the wheels are in place, the sliding door moves so lightly that it can be moved with a single finger. Let's check how the sliding door moves. Mark with a pencil to cut the height of the door. This is a jig made for cutting the door with a circular saw. Process the door according to the mark of the pencil. Cut a notch in the top of the door to match the thickness of the groove in the frame. Finish using a chisel and a planer. To make it easier to process, grooves were made in the upper part of the door when the door was made. Now, let's attach the sliding doors to the frame. Put the door into the upper groove, and then put the wheels into the lower rail. Fix the rail with screws. Install the other sliding door after processing it. There is no gap at the bottom of the door, but there is a gap at the top. This is adjusted by shaving with a plane. The planer is in great condition after adjustment. Now there is no gap. Apply wood grain tape to the sides of the door. Attach the sliding door knobs to the door. The chisel has been sharpened and is in good condition to cut well. This completes the sliding door processing. How are the Japanese sliding doors? By the way, this is Asakusa, a famous sightseeing spot. Please watch the video of the installation of the folding doors. Thank you for watching to the end.